Hey, today I will show you how you can easily install MCP into Augment. There's a cool website that you can find a lot of MCPs named smithery.ai that you can see which capability you can add to the AI coding agent, but I will show you the quick install of this one here. So you open Augment into VS Code. You see this little bar here. You hit settings. You will see that I already have context 7 MCP. I will delete that one. So we have native tools, so native integration with many platforms like GitHub, Linear, Notion, Confluence, Jira, Supabase. You just have to click connect and your basically Augment will know about it. Will know how to use Supabase and interact directly with your database. For GitHub, with your repo. For the other tool, it will check the tickets in Linear and Confluence, Jira, everything like this. But we have now an easy MCP installation here. You can click it to easily add some MCP that we selected that can be worth your time. Like Context 7, it's a package documentation. So if you need the latest documentation about Next.js or something like that, you can install that MCP. So AugmentCode will be aware of the latest documentation from this MCP. So you just hit click the plus, so it's installed right away. Playwright is browser automation. It will use your browser and do some automation with it. Let's install. And sequential thinking. When you think that something is more complex that need several steps to think on what the AI should do, you can install it. But I will suggest that do not install sequential thinking every time. You can disable it. Then if Augment is not able to do something, you can activate it. And sometime if you let it activated, it will maybe create an issue and you can do the reverse. So you disable it like this and everything will be fine after that. You can add stdio MCP like this. You can add SSE MCP. HTTP MCP like this. And yeah, there's a lot of import from JSON. So you can create JSON and like import all the MCP at the same time. This is how we do with MCP. To use them normally, when they are activated, Augment will know right away how to use this tool. But you can tell them like use context 7 to fetch the latest docs or use Playwright to test my apps. Let me know what you do with MCP right now. Hey, that was Jason. Hope you liked it. You can subscribe to my channel. I will give you tons of tips about AugmentCode and coding in general with AI. So let's see. Bye-bye.